With so many different dash cams on the market, it is increasingly hard to find one that suits our needs. However, some people prefer a discreet and compact option. Well, that's where this little guy could come in. This is the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. This dashcam is small and includes the latest Sony sensor, the Starvis 2. It has a camera facing forward and an LCD display, and additionally it has a built-in Wi-Fi for setting up options and downloading videos, GPS logging, voice notifications, and smart voice control. I did also opt for the hardware kit, a polarizing lens filter, and a 64GB micro SD card. All these help with utilizing this dashcam to its full potential, so I do completely recommend them. The hardware kit provides a cable that powers the camera from the car battery for recording videos when the car is turned off. You will need this if you want to take full advantage of parking mode. The A119 is a compact dash camera with a simple plastic design. Its back can easily stick to a window, while the front boasts an LCD display and 5 buttons. The bottom features an adjustable camera lens with a single side containing a heatsink, an SD card slot, and a USB-C slot. VIOFO has done an excellent job of maximizing the available space on this device, keeping it very compact. Installing the camera is very straightforward. I mounted it directly onto my windshield using the adhesive pad and then ran the USB-C power cable down to either the standard lighter socket on my car or the main power source. The included trim removal tool made this task much easier by allowing me to push the cable into those trims. I attached the polarizing lens filter to the camera to reduce reflections and glare. It's very easy to install by pushing it on and placing over the lens. That's simply it. Once everything is installed, the final step is to install VIOFO's app. The app helps you to utilize this dashcam even more. With Wi-Fi on board the dashcam, when partnered with the app, you get abilities like live viewing if you hardwire it into your car, access to your videos and images, and all the settings in an easy to browse format. I can't deny that the A119 Mini 2's captured video is genuinely top notch. That polarizing filter for day use is just brilliant at reducing glare. The overall resolution of the Mini 2 is superb. In fact, it's a standout from all the other 2K cameras I have tested. This new image sensor is responsible for improving the A119's ability to capture sharp details in low light settings, producing more vibrant colored images and consuming less power in parking mode. Even in low light conditions, the Mini 2 was able to produce stunning footage thanks to its high sensitivity and low noise. The dynamic range of 78 dB in a single exposure was particularly impressive, allowing for a wide range of colours and details to be captured in a single shot. Additionally, the Mini 2 handled headlight glare exceptionally well, resulting in clear and easy to view footage. The app is just brilliant. It lets me see what the camera is currently looking at. I can then also go through all the video recordings and go back as far as the SD card can and download them directly to my phone for evidence use later. With the A119 dashcam in place, I can customize the details that appear at the bottom of each video, including my speed, latitude, longitude, license plate number, camera name, and date and time. These details can be useful in identifying the video and also helping to improve evidence in a bad scenario. When it comes to 2K cameras, the A119 Mini 2 stands out from the crowd. After conducting extensive tests, it has been proven that this camera delivers exceptional resolution that surpasses all other devices in its class. Not only that, but it also comes equipped with the latest features and is capable of capturing high quality images and videos. At this current asking price, this is a steal. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.